clouds of sorrow and ray of light. It is said that when bad times come, trouble surrounds us from all sides. One sorrow doesn't end when another comes. Sometimes parents fall ill. Sometimes there were reports of children's failure and studies and career. Sometimes a big task gets stuck while being completed. Sometimes the financial condition of the house worsens. It seems as if luck has deserted us. But time does not always remain the same. Slowly everything starts getting better. Happiness starts returning to the family. And we again start moving forward in our lives with a new energy. In this article, I'll share some experience from my honest life. What I saw, how bad days do not end quickly, but eventually a new morning comes after every dark night. Our family was a normal middle class family. My father was in government job. Mother was a housewife, and we three siblings were studying. Everything was going well when suddenly one day father had a heart attack. We all panicked. He was immediately taken to the hospital. The doctors told that the condition was serious and soon he would have to undergo bypass surgery. All the savings we had were spent on his treatment. But the problem was not just of money, but also of mental stress. Mother used to cry continuously, and everyone in the house was immersed in worry. These days, my younger sister had her board exams. But the situation at home was that she was not able to concentrate on her studies. She would often say, Bhaiya, I am very scared. Papa will be fine, right? I would console her, but I was broken from inside. We had not yet recovered from the tension of father's treatment when my younger brother's leg broke in a road accident. He was returning from college when a speeding car hit him. When I got this news on the phone, I became numb. We immediately took him to the hospital, where the doctors told me that there were multiple fractures in his leg and he would have to take bed rest for months. This situation at home was already bad and now it got worse. Father was already ill, now brother was also on bed. Mother's mental stress increased further. Amidst all these troubles, I was trying to find a job. My studies were complete and I was looking for a good job so that I could improve the financial condition of the house. But I was failing again and again. Sometimes I was not able to clear the interview. Sometimes the offer letter was not coming. This was the time when I was feeling completely helpless. There was a shortage of money at home. Mother sold some of her jewelry to meet the expenses, but this was not a permanent solution. During this difficult time, I got discouraged many times. It seemed that maybe our fate was bad. But then I realized that nothing would happen by giving up. I tried to handle myself. I decided in my mind that if there is continuous failure, it doesn't mean that success will never come. After months of treatment, father slowly started recovering. The surgery was successful and the doctor said that now he just needed regular care. After 6 months, my brother also started standing on his feet. His courage and our care paid off. The younger sister, who we were afraid would do poorly in her exam, passed with good marks with her hard work and dedication. And the biggest thing, I got a good job. When I reached home with my first salary, my mother had tears of joy in her eyes. She hugged me and said, Son, see, God has made everything right. Now, when I look back, I understand that even though bad times don't go away quickly, they teach us a lot. If we had lost patience at that time, we might have given up. But we kept patience and slowly things started getting better. Even when everything was going bad, we didn't leave each other. This became our biggest strength. When difficult times come, it seems that nothing good will happen now. But the truth is that time always changes. If bad times have come, good times will also come. Now everything has become normal in our family. Father is healthy, brother is progressing in his career, sister has completed her studies, and mother is no longer worried. We all learned a lot from this experience. Now when problem comes, we do not fear, but hold each other's hands and say, this too shall pass. Because bad times do not last forever and good times always come back.